Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do another CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. So in this lesson, we're going to learn about how to change multiple HTML elements with the styling. And we can use this by the class. So before we did the class for the H2, and we changed the color to red here, but we can apply it to other things than just the H2. For this exercise, we want to apply this class to the P element as well. So all we have to do is just copy and paste. There's a lot of copy and pasting in coding. And you copy it here. And now we see that this paragraph text is also red. And then, but we also have, see in this example, it says, in this test, it says your second and third P elements should not be red. And we can find this P, top three things cats hate. Where's the second one? Yeah, and the cats love, they're still black because they do not have the class of red text. And that's it. Thank you.